Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, without wasting so much time, I want to do a very quick review. I am heading out. My appointment is supposed to be for 1 p.m. but guys, guess what the time is? As usual, Nike, it is 12:55 p.m. Why though? Anyway, but one thing I never do is show up to work late. So before I head out, I just decided I want to do a quick review of this product that was sent to me again by iMethod. This is the eyebrow stamp. I just opened the bag. This comes in the color 02. So I'm just gonna go ahead and we're gonna try this together. I don't really feel like doing so much makeup today. I just want to look natural because I just want to go pick up something at my job. This is it guys. It came in a little pouch, so I will go ahead and open this pouch. Let's see what they got inside. Okay, so here it does come with a brush. It comes with a dual spoolie brush, and then I do have the pomade, which is supposed to be for the eyebrow. And then here we do have the stencils, and I think this should be for left and right. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead real quick and open them and see which one is best for my eyes. Okay guys, so I do see they have different shapes, as you guys can see. I'm only gonna do it on one eye real quick because I really don't want to be making up today. And if you guys can see, I do have sensitivity in my eyes. I don't know what's wrong though, but it started with this eye and then it went over to this eye. If I was in Nigeria, we're gonna call it Apollo. So I don't know if I'm having Apollo, but I don't know if it's that obvious for you guys to see. But yo, so I don't want to touch this eye pretty much. I don't want, that's why I don't want to do any makeup today. But I'm like, time is going. This product has been sitting down, so it's time for me to do the review real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead with my spoolie here, brush my eyebrows for you guys to see. So I haven't carved my eyebrows in a while because I like full eyebrows. And then this is what the brush looks like. You guys say it, the pomade brush or the sponge brush, what do I call it? Yeah, sponge brush. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. And I really have never used the pomade before to do my makeup, so I'm gonna be trying this out for the first time and we're gonna see how it's gonna go guys. I'm not sure, I don't know how this is gonna look on me, but yeah guys, let us try it out. So how many stencils did this come with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it came with 5 stencils, so in total that's 10 stencils, 1 for the left, 1 for the right. So I don't have to be done with this and then try to clean it and then figure out to do the next one. All I just need to do is pick up the one for the other eye and you know, voila. So since number 5 fits me evenly, sorry I'm not looking at the camera guys, I have to look at my mirror to make sure I'm getting it right so you guys can see. It's here. Oh, too bad I haven't opened the pomade. So this is what the pomade looks like. So I will go ahead now and, you know, just grab a lot of this on the sponge. So that is it on the sponge right there. And then we go back in again. Not so bad guys, you guys can see the difference. But I didn't really get the edges well, so this is user mistake. This is not from them. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this real quick. Okay guys, so you guys have seen it. This is what it looks like. I do like it. It is not so bad, but if I will be using this, if I was like doing my whole makeup, full makeup for the day, and I was gonna be using this, I will still go ahead and just use my spoolie on here, define it with my spoolie, and then still go along with my angled brush. Oh, I did remember the name now. go ahead with the angled brush. You guys see that? Make my definition with the angled brush. Do you guys see what I just did? I like this, guys. It is super easy to apply. Okay guys, so now that I am done, you guys can see the difference. I like the fact that it is color at first stamp, guys. I don't need to go ahead being all artistic, trying to get the perfect eyebrows, trying to match my two eyebrows to make them twin sisters. Although I did it only on one eye, but I did explain the reason. I know you guys might not see the difference really, but this eye is swollen. So I like the fact that it is color at first stamp. No need of me bringing my artistic skills, trying to go in with my eyeliner and trying to draw and make sure I get the perfect eyebrows. They are never perfect because they are not twin sisters. You know what I'm saying? So guys, if you want to check them out, I suggest you go ahead to their YouTube channel. Check them out at Imethodbeauty, Instagram, and also on TikTok. Price is not so expensive on Amazon. It is relatively cheap on Amazon. It's about $16. If you're gonna be spending so much money, maybe $19, but basically between $16 to $19 on Amazon, which I think is okay, guys. It's gonna last you. Remember, it's a pomade, so you're not gonna be like, oh, I ran out of it so easily, or trying to sharpen your eye pencil and then it breaks and you're like, oh my god, this is my last eye pencil. So guys, I suggest you go ahead and try them out. If you're someone that doesn't like spending so much time doing your makeup, you just want to stamp and go, hey, go grab this product. It's not expensive, comes with different stencils. You don't need to use the first stencil, clean it, put it on the other eye. There's no need. It comes with 10 stencils. Mine came with 10, and you just look for your perfect eyebrow. We all know that everybody has different shapes of eyebrows. Some have big eyebrows, some have very thin eyebrows. They fit into it. They will accommodate you. They have different sizes. This is for very thin, you know, this is for thin, just long, huge, everything. They just have it all there. For me, I use the number 5, and I like the fact that it comes with its own spoolie as well. So this is even good for traveling, you know, when you're traveling and you don't want to carry so much makeup, or you're going somewhere and you just want to touch your makeup up, something like that, you know what I'm saying, guys? So I suggest you go ahead and check them out. If you've been watching up until this very time, thank you so much for watching. Nike has to rush out now. Please do remember to hit the like and the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you will be notified anytime Nike uploads a video.